Hi everyone. Welcome back. We are still in Chapter 11, under the topic of deformation of solids. Today, we continue to learn the subtopic 11.2, Young's modulus.
At the end of this video, you should be able to Number 1. Discuss the strain energy from force elongation graph. And Number 2. Discuss the strain energy per unit volume from stress strain graph.
The strain energy is defined as the energy stored by a wire when there is force to compress or to extend it. As we learned before, when a wire is stretched by a load or an external force F, the wire will be extended throughout the elongation E. During this elongation, the work is done by the force upon the wire. Consider the graph of force against elongation of a wire, which is limited to the proportionality limit. The increase in elongation from 0 to E is caused by the external force, which increases from 0 to F. Basically, the total work done in stretching the wire is given by W equals integration of F times E from 0 to E. It equals to the shaded area under the graph. Mathematically, based on the shape of the area, then work W is equal to half times force times elongation. In this case, based on the work energy theorem, the work done is equal to the strain energy stored in the wire. Therefore, the strain energy of the stretched wire, U, is equal to half times force times elongation. The unit of strain energy is the same as work, that is joule, or kilogram square, meter per second per second. And it is also a type of scalar quantity, which has no direction. From the definition of stress, sigma is equal to force F over area, A. Then, force can be rewrite as F equals sigma times A. By the same way, from the definition of strain, epsilon is equal to elongation, A, over original length, L naught. Then, elongation can be rewrite as AE equals epsilon times L naught. Therefore, strain energy can now be written as U equals half times stress times area times strain times original length. And we know area times original length is mathematically equal to the original volume of the wire. And finally, if we sketch a graph of stress against strain, then the shaded area under the graph is representing the strain energy stored in the wire per unit original volume of the wire. Before we end the video, as usual, please answer all the questions provided and make sure you submit to the lecturer immediately. See you again.